Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, David. I'm back again with another video. It's been a while. I haven't uploaded a video. I know I don't have that much followers and nothing like that, but basically I'm just doing an unboxing of this package I just got in the mail. I've been very anxious. I've heard Anker is like one of the best quick charge chargers that are on the market right now, because apparently the one that I had before this one, I forgot the name of that one, but basically that shit was horrible. Like it sucked. It was the worst thing ever. It didn't even last me a week, but according to the reviews I'm hearing of this ANKER product, it's one of the best ones out there. So I'm hoping, I'm gonna show you guys what the package comes in with this one. Okay, so continue with this video. All right, ready? Okay, guys. So first thing, let's see. I like the packaging so far. It's a nice blue color. Okay, so it's just the usual books and shit, you know. Manuals. I don't need no manual for this shit. Okay. And we got, this is the ANKER USB box. Let's check that out. Okay, let's check this out real quick. I'm hoping it's gonna be a lot better than the one that I had before. You guys gotta excuse me, I'm doing this one-handed. It's kind of hard. Okay, so there it is, ANKER. It's I'm trying to see how many watts this is. I believe it's 18 watts. Let me see if it says 18 watts somewhere here. It should be, it doesn't say it, but it's 18 watts. It's compatible with the iPhone 8 Plus. So there it is. 18 watts right there, if you guys can see that. Okay. I guess there's no cable. It's kind of weird. I thought there was going to be a cable. No cable. Alright guys, that was a quick unboxing. So I guess enjoy this one. If anybody's looking for a good charger for iPhone, I'll hit you guys back up with another video, let you guys know what I think about this device. Alright, peace.